In this video, you will learn one of the most accurate scalping strategies that I have tested on my channel so far. This method is probably something you've never seen before, so make sure you stay focused and pay close attention to all the details. I have tested this strategy 100 times manually on the Euro USD chart on the 5-minute time frame. For the backtesting, I have used an app called Trader Edge. This was to ensure the strategy is profitable over a longer time period. I have found these 100 trades within a period of 5 months. Make sure to stick to this video until the end, because by the end of this video, I am going to show you the backtesting results. I'm going to give you a bunch of examples on how you should place trades using this strategy, and also teach you a new money management trick that will instantly make you massive profits from any market. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Traders, before we start, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first of all, let's open TradingView and set the time frame to 5 minutes. This strategy can be used on all time frames, including a daily chart. The next step will be to click on the indicators window. Now we're going to need to add 3 indicators to the chart. For the first indicator, let's search for signals and overlays. It's going to be this indicator right here. Access the indicator settings by double-clicking on it. Set both the signal mode and candle coloring to confirmation and set the autopilot sensitivity to short term. This is going to be our main confirmation indicator. Based on these signals, we're going to be placing buy and sell orders. By the way, this video isn't sponsored by LuxAlgo. However, using the link in the description, you can support my channel and get up to a 20% discount on LuxAlgo premium indicators. For the second indicator, search for price action concepts. Access the indicator settings, set both the internal and the swing market structure to BOS, enable order blocks, and also enable the internal buy and sell activity. This indicator shows the areas of support and resistance and the break of structure levels. Usually when the price action is in a downtrend and it reaches a bullish order block level, the market tends to reverse. The opposite happens when the price action reaches a bearish order block. Notice the price action was heading upwards, then it reached the level of resistance, and it started selling off. These levels are very important because they will dramatically increase the win rate of our first confirmation indicator. And finally, to complete the setup, we need to add one more tool. This indicator is called Oscillator Matrix. Now let's access the indicator settings. Within the inputs, we want to disable everything except for the money flow. Now we want to click the thresholds and set its opacity to 0%. In the style section, change the levels to 60 and 40, change the color of the lines to white, and change the plot type to line. The main goal of this indicator is to identify the times when the market is overbought or oversold. When the money flow crosses above the 60 level, the market is considered overbought. And when money flow crosses below the 40 level, the market is considered oversold. Okay, now let's learn the exact conditions for entering long and short trades. So the conditions for entering a long trade are as follows. First, the price action must fall back into the level of a bullish order block. The candlestick should either touch it or get really close to it, but it must not cross and close below it. If the price does not respect this level, the trade will automatically be canceled. Second, the indicator must issue a buy or a strong buy signal. And finally, at the time the signal was issued, the money flow index must be green colored and not higher than the 60 level, or if it's red colored, it must be below the 40 level. If these conditions are met, a buy order will be placed at the close of the trigger candlestick. The stop loss will be placed slightly below the order block. Now listen carefully. When the price action reaches a risk-reward ratio of 1:1, you're going to have to take half of your position off. Haven't heard of LuxAlgo yet? It's an all-in-one indicator with over 20 features designed to give traders useful signals and overlays. It's fully packed with tools for technical analysis. LuxAlgo is the top provider of technical indicators globally, trusted by over 50,000 traders. With the ultimate membership, you get advanced signals and overlays, estimates of institutional volume, and over 20 other premium features. These include highly rated indicators developed from community feedback, access to a Discord community with scanners and bots, real-time alerts, non-repainting signals, and much more. These indicators work on any market on TradingView such as stocks, crypto, forex, futures, and commodities, and on all time frames. They're versatile, fitting any trading style like scalping, swing trading, or investing, and are great for uncovering technical insights. If you're serious about elevating your trading skills and building a career in this field, LuxAlgo offers 3 plans. The essential plan includes the Price Action Concepts Toolkit. The premium plan adds the Signals and Overlays Toolkit with built-in AI, plus the Oscillator Matrix indicator and the Price Action Concepts Toolkit. I personally chose the Ultimate plan, which combines all 3 toolkits and 3 backtesting system strategy scripts. Once you've done that, you have to move your stop loss to the break-even, and now you're going to set the take profit target for the second half of your position at 2 times the risk. Remember, this video isn't sponsored by LuxAlgo. However, using the link in the description, you can support my channel and get up to a 20% discount on the premium indicators. There we go, the market just triggered our second target. Now let me show you how I'm going to be doing the backtesting. So first of all, I'm going to set the initial account size at $1,000. The risk per trade will be set at 2%. And now I'm going to need to add 2 take profit levels. And since I'm taking half of the position off when the price action reaches the first target, I'm going to have to set the position percentage at 50%. When the price action reaches a risk-reward ratio of 1:1, 2% of profits will be added and Trader Edge will automatically take half of the profit off. And when the second half of my position reaches the second target, which is 2 times the risk, I'm going to add the profit too, which is 4%. We can see that the total profit per trade is 3% or $30. But this is only the case when the price action reaches 2 targets. More often than not, you will have a situation when the price action reaches your first target and then it reverses and hits your stop loss. Here's another example of a really good long entry. We see the price bounced off the order block, the indicator issued a new buy signal, and the money flow was confirming our entry signal. Alright, now let's understand the rules for entering a short trade. First, the price action must pull back into an order block, which is located above the price action. The candlestick can either touch it or get really close to it. Second, the signals and overlays indicator must issue a sell or a strong sell signal. And at the time the signal is issued, the money flow index must be green and overbought or red and not oversold. The stop loss will be set slightly above the order block. And again, when the price action reaches a risk-reward ratio of 1:1, you're going to have to take half of your position off and move your stop loss to the break even. Then set the take profit target for the second half at 2 times the risk. Okay, let's see a couple more examples. So here we had the market rejecting off of the order block and the indicator issued a signal to sell. The money flow index is confirming our entry signal. We see the market reach the first target, but unfortunately the stop loss on the second half got triggered. Here we have another valid short entry. The market reached an order block, we also had a signal to sell, and the money flow index was confirming. The win rate for the strategy turned out to be 77%. This is literally one of the most accurate strategies on my channel. The total profit is $4,828. Remember, a great strategy is complemented by great tools. LuxAlgo premium indicators are a game changer. Using my link in the description gets you up to a 20% discount. The profit factor is 4.78. The biggest winning streak we had was 14 wins in a row. So overall, really happy with the results. Definitely give this strategy a try on different timeframes and different markets, but make sure you forward test it with paper money first before trading live. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex and stocks, check out one of these videos.